Hi, I want to show you how I make a paratha. As you can see, I'm already making the dough into a ball and then I'm putting it into the flour because I have to turn on the stove on low flame. Now I'm rolling it out so that it becomes a little circle. And then I'm going to spread some butter on one side and sprinkle some flour on top of it. After that, I'm going to make it into a roll, like a cinnamon roll. And for that, at first I have to make this long noodle kind of thing. And then I rolled it like that. I press it to make a circle out of it again, and with the help of our rolling pin, make it as big as you can, because it will shrink when it will cook on the pan. Also, to prevent it from sticking to the kitchen counter, you will have to dip it into the flour again and again. Then I always put some butter on the pan, and after I am tossing it a little so that excess flour falls off, I cook it for a few seconds on that side, and meanwhile I spread some butter on the top side. And then I'm turning it over, let it cook on that side, and keep checking so that it doesn't get burned. That's it. Yeah, so that's how it turned out. I wish you good luck.